morning, guys. Welcome to another video. This is gonna be my Walmart weekend haul for you guys, and for my midweek I need 15 rebates for $5, and then we also have a larger bonus which is called the lunch money bonus, and for that, per your usual, your girl needs 48 rebates for $10. And so I always get 48 for 10, never fails. This should be pretty easy. But if you're new here, go ahead and take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure that you smash the like button and support your girl. Don't forget to make sure your post notifications are on as posting the video. So, what do I want to say? So I did post a video talking about Shopmium. I posted a couple videos. A lot of us have been having issues stacking apps with it, even Ibotta. So it seems that with Shopmium, we can stack any app with it. And so, I probably won't be using it very much. I know one of you guys asked me, is my account still active? It is still active. I just don't have a reason to use it. If I have to use it by itself, I'm just going to use a coupon. Deadass. I'm just going to use a coupon. I'm not even going to bother with it. I know that some of you guys mentioned using it on clearance. Yes, I'll use it on clearance. I'll use it on freebies. But other than that, I probably won't be using it. And so, love to hear what you guys think about that in the comments. If you haven't had a chance to check out the video, I posted 2 videos actually. Definitely check that out. I know that some of you guys are not having issues with Shopmium, and that's cool. That's really cool that you're not having issues with stacking with it. But that's something just to be, you know, aware of or whatever. And so I'll leave it there. We're gonna head into Walmart and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. You want to see what your girl got? Keep on watching. All right, guys. So this first deal is on the Tasty Bites. It's on the protein bowls. That must be quinoa. Yeah, that does not look good at all. But we're gonna get it. How I sound. Our price at $3.64. They do have 3 different flavors. And then I believe they have a Mexican one. I grabbed this deal yesterday. They're priced at $3.64. There are 3 separate rebates on Shopkick for 500 kicks back, which is $2, and then you'll get back $1 on Ibotta as well, making them only 64 cents. All right, so next up is the brisk tea. This time it works on all of them. I know last time it was only on certain flavors. They are priced at $1. And Ibotta's giving you back 50%, well, 60 cents, making them only 40 cents each with a limit of 5. So we're definitely going to be grabbing 5. All right, so this next deal is on the Arrowhead water. So there's an offer on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, and Tada. One of you guys hit me up in the comments in my last video. This store is completely out of Arrowhead. Basically, it's the 3-liter bottles. They're the same size as these here. I got this deal yesterday at a different store. They are priced at $174. So for this, you want to grab a total of 3 of them. You want to pay $5.22, but then you're going to end up getting back $5 for buying 3 on Swagbucks, My Points, Inbox, or Tada. Now the limit on this is a limit of, you can do it up to 3 times per week. And so I went ahead and grabbed 9 of them. I submitted it on Tada. It did go into review. And so basically makes them 22 cents per bottle, which to me is a definite stock up price. All right, the next deal that I did was on the Icelandic Provisions yogurt, which I do not see at this store. They're priced at $176. Getting back $1 on Ibotta makes it 76 cents. There's also a 10-cent any yogurt as well, bringing that down to 66 cents. And of course, since this keeps resetting, it's on the beef chorizo. It's priced at $162. Ibotta's giving you back $1. I do have 55 cents on Alexa, but it's not scanning for me on there. So it makes that only 62 cents. And of course, our next deal is going to be on the Raid. It's on the 4-count bait, the ant bait. It's priced at $4.43. I'm getting back $2 on Ibotta, and then there's also $2 on Tada as well, making that 43 cents. And then the off is $6.34 for this one right here. Getting back 3 on Ibotta and 3 on Tada, making that 34 cents. This next deal is on the Tide Rescue Laundry Stain Remover. I got this deal from Miss Danielle. It's priced at $4.97. We're going to grab 1 of them, getting back $1 on Ibotta. We're also going to be submitting this mail-in rebate for $3, and then there's also $2 back on Tada. It'll make this $1.03 moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Suavitel. It is priced at $8.47 for the 120 ounce. We're gonna grab 1 of them. We'll be getting back $3 on Swagbucks for buying one. You'll get back $1.40 on checkout 51, and then you'll get back 800 kicks on Shopkick, which is $3.20, making that only 87 cents. Then I was watching Miss Star, and she did one of these at $8.47, and one of these, which is the what is it? 105 is $8.97. So the two of these will end up costing you $17.44, and then you're going to be getting back $1.40 for each on checkout 51, $7 on Swagbucks, and then 800 kicks are $3.20 times 2 on Shopkick. So it'll bring it down to $1.24 for 2, or only 62 cents each. So definitely is a much better deal. All right, the other deal is on the Arm & Hammer. Crap, they don't have nothing here, huh? I did this deal yesterday, and they barely had anything left. But for this, you want to grab 2 of these. They're priced at $5.72. Now we do have dollar coupons, which I went ahead and just used the coupon. The Ibotta offer does exclude the coupon, so it's either one or the other. I decided to use the coupon, and so with that coupon, you'll end up paying $9.44. But then you'll get back $1.36 times 2 on checkout 51, and there's also $5 on Tada. So it brings me down to 86 cents each, which is not bad. Of course, if you don't want to use a coupon, you can do Ibotta instead, and it'll be the same price. Other thing over here that I'm going to do as well is the drift. It's priced at $3.97. You're going to get back $1.25 on Ibotta, and then there's also a $2 mail-in rebate for that as well. So it brings that down to what? To 72 cents. This store ain't got none. This deal is on the beach nut. All right, so they're priced at $3.66. I did this deal yesterday. For this, you want to grab one of them, priced at $3.66. You're getting back $2 on Ibotta, $1.50 on Fetch, and there's also $1.50 that just popped up on Shopmium. Or Tada, making that $1.34 moneymaker. The limit on this is a limit of 4 for Fetch rewards. So I went ahead and grabbed 4 of them, making it an awesome moneymaker. So this next deal is on the Colgate. I was gonna get the Pro Series, which is $10.46, but this one works on Ibotta. I think this one usually works on Ibotta, I want to say. It's $7.32, and we're gonna get back $3 on Ibotta right there. And then we're also going to get back, I'm not going to submit on Shopmium because y'all know I'm not, but there is $3 on Alexa as well as Tada. So I'm going to do one of those, and it'll make that $1.32. Other thing over here is the Colgate Plaque Release, Pro Release, which is priced at $8.36. And for that, we're going to be getting back 4 on Ibotta, and then 4 on Alexa. There's also 4 on Tada as well. So it'll make that 36 cents. This next deal is on the, what is this? This is the Little Critters. They don't have any. It's on the PJ Masks one. They are priced at $7.49. For that, you want to grab a total of 2 of them. I'm going to check another store though and see if I can find some. 2 of them is going to cost you $14.98. And then we're getting back $7 for buying 2 on Swagbucks. There's also going to be $5 on Ibotta. It's going to bring them down to $2.98 for 2 of them, or $1.49 each. Alright, so my next deal is on the Vital Fusion Melatonin. It is priced at $11.88, so I went ahead and grabbed 2 of them. I paid $23.76 out of pocket, and then got back 5 on Ibotta. We got back 10 on Swagbucks, and then $2.97 times 2 on checkout 51, bringing these down to only $1.41 each. Alright, so I totally forgot to record this deal in store. I don't think I've ever seen this line. When I did find it, it's on the Earth Clean Beauty line. It's priced at $2.98. Wasn't very impressed by it or the smell of it, but the least it's gonna be is bubbles for Josiah's bath. So I grabbed 1 at $2.98, got back 2 on Swagbucks, went straight through, and then 80 cents on checkout 51, bringing them down to only 18 cents. Now I did max this deal out on Swagbucks and grab 4, and so yeah. Alright, the last deal that I forgot to record in store, you'll probably try to see this deal anyway. It's on the Degree deodorant. It's priced at $4.98, and we're using a $1.50 coupon from our inserts. It's also a tear pad found at CVS. You'll pay $3.48, getting back 870 kicks, which is $3.48, making this absolutely free. Now, really quick, a lot of you guys are asking me questions, well, maybe 2 or 3 were asking questions about Shopkick and whenever I get multiple items. I am doing them on separate receipts, and I am doing it once it resets. So if you go to the actual submit page, if it's there, then it can be done again. And so I usually will buy them in multiples of 2, and then if it resets, I'll submit the second receipt. If it doesn't, I'll just take it back. But it has been resetting for me. I think I did it in my last haul. I did it 6 times. And in this haul, I did it 5 times. So that's pretty much how you know if you can do it again or not. And so as always, I hope this little tip helps. Alright guys, so this next deal is on the CoverGirl. It just popped up on Ibotta literally like this morning, and I checked online to see if there was any items I could price match that would be cheaper than the shelf price for some of these. Of course, if you can't price match, there are some that are pretty inexpensive. That one is $6.38. I don't know if those would work for Ibotta, but I'm trying to use a coupon, and I think the coupon excludes might exclude those. Yeah, so basically for this, I'm gonna price match these up here. There's 3 of these that are cheaper. I want to say $5.20, $5.30, and $5.50. They're a little cheaper. They are actually priced at $3.51. So if you can price match, you'll grab one, use this $3 coupon right here from our inserts, pay 51 cents and get back 3 on Ibotta. The limit of this is a limit of 5. And so then that's going to make it like a $2.59 moneymaker, I want to say, which is definitely not bad. And again, the limit is 5. So we're going to see if I can price match it. If not, again, just grab the cheaper items or find something that's on clearance. Here's another item that you could probably price match as well. It is, which one was it? It was number Scan 500, which was price match for $2.28. So if you can price match it and use a coupon, you'll get a little bit of overage. Plus you'll get back $2 on Ibotta. Alright, so that would be, if you have the coupon, it would be $2.28 minus $3. So you'll have 72 cents of overage. Plus you get back 2 on Ibotta. So it'd be a $2.72 moneymaker. I'm going to see what's going to happen, because I know that lately my stores, I don't know why he talking so freaking loud. Like, we hear you, okay? People outside hear you. We all hear you, okay? Inside voices. When you want it. Alright guys, so here is my complete haul for you guys for today. I had to do this in a voiceover because Josiah was so loud in the background, you guys, being his little human self. And so here we are with the voiceover. I wanted to remind you guys about the high key deal. I think it's still available. It is an Amazon deal, and then they pay you via PayPal. So it's a good way to convert your gift cards from Amazon back to cash, which is what I did. It was $14.99. I shared that in my last video. And so everything here worked out really, really good. I did have coupons for the Arm & Hammer, which I actually ended up getting the credit back on Ibotta for that, even though it did exclude the coupon. I did use coupons on CoverGirl since there was no coupon exclusions for CoverGirl, and I only got 4 face products because one of them I grabbed was more online, and so I only got the 4. But the 5 pencils were perfectly fine, and I was able to use all my coupons, and I did go to a regular register, and then I also had coupons for the degree. And so retail for everything was $251.72. I had $38.50 in coupons, which brought the out of pocket down to $213.22. And then we walk away with a total of $82.05 from Ibotta. We got back $39 from Shopkick. We got back $45.25 from Tada. $20.26 from Checkout 51. $14 from Swagbucks, $6 from Fetch Reward. We should be getting back $5 for the Tide Drift Melon rebate. And then last but not least, I did redeem for a $10 gift card through Merryfield, which you guys know most of that is just referrals. I think I only did one thing that was like $1.50 for the pesto last week. And so I did include that as well. So getting back a total of $221.56 in rebates makes everything you see here free, plus an $8.34 moneymaker, which is so awesome. And even if I don't include Merryfield gift card, it still nets everything at like, what, $2, which is amazing. Other than that, everything else worked out pretty good. I do still have a few things in review on Tada. I had a few items that came back and I didn't get credit for it. I had to put tickets in, but I have since gotten credit for everything. The beech nut did not scan for me or did not work for me on Tada. I'm hoping it'll pop up on Alexa. And so other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button on your way out the door. And I will see you in the next video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye, guys.